Hello guys, good morning. Today is June 10, 2024 na po. If you remember, last January 2024, may video din ako nung tinamaan ako ng lung problem. Sinabi ko naman sa inyo before that I was an expert in a heart problem kasi ilang beses na ako na heart attack. But today, sa dami ng clients ko na dumarating dito na diabetic, I've tried to be diabetic. Sabi niya, siguro marami magsasabi yan, sira ulo ako or whatsoever. But the point is, ang hirap kasing magbibigay ng suggestion on what to take. Tapos biglang ang mangyayari was that hindi mo talaga alam kung ano yung feeling nila. Hindi mo alam kung ano talaga nararamdaman nila. But for me, last night I've tried, no? Ang sugar ko last night was 550. But today, we'll check kasi nag-take po ako nitong Serpentina na based on my suggestion, lagi na lang sinasabi ko na you have to take this after meal. So, hindi pa ako nag-take ng meal ngayon, itong morning na to. Ang gagawin natin is to check my sugar muna. Last night was 550 and today, no, June 10, we'll check my sugar kung ilan. So guys, ito na, chinecheck ko na sugar ko. So, using this sugar meter, ito po siya. Okay guys, ito yung sugar ko today. Okay, tingnan natin. Wala pa. Final na. That's 321 guys, no? 321 yung sugar ko from 550 to 321 by taking 5 capsules of this last night. So ngayon, from this day on, we'll try to monitor on what will happen to my sugar, no? So tomorrow morning again, we'll try it, no? Bukas, that will be June 11, 2024, i-try natin kung ilan naman. But today, we are sure na ang sugar ko this morning is 321. Last night was 550. We don't know what will happen. Siguro marami magsasabi yan, ang sira ulo nito, tinesting pa sa sarili. Well, wala tayong magawa. Because I want to be a testimony on my own approach. So guys, maraming salamat and magandang araw po sa inyong lahat.